Make your own baseball cleats. Good equipment is important in playing sports to achieve optimum performance and avoid injuries. If baseball is your sport of choice, then you need durable cleats. You can customize your own cleats if you're a neophyte. Making homemade baseball cleats is not just about fashion, it's about being practical so you'll become the best player that you can be. Below are information and guides on how to make your own baseball cleats. Determine where you will play. Before, players wore a sharp spike shoe about 3/8 inch. They wear the shoe in any field condition. During 1980s, shoe manufacturers make customizable and replaceable baseball shoes so players can play in any playing field. Players can play in slippery and wet fields because the longer spikes give them more footholds. Make longer cleats for muddy or wet fields. Make short rubber cleats if you'll be playing in an artificial field. Don't use spikes because they'll just cut the artificial turf. The spikes will also make you lose balance. However, rubber cleats, 1/4 inch, will help you balance and improve your game. You can make different baseball cleats for different playing fields. What you need to make basic baseball cleats. You need a pair of tennis shoes, hammer, 24 pieces of 1 1/2 inch nails, large thin wood, metal file, and wood saw. You'll use 12 nail pieces on each shoe. Make your basic baseball cleats. Remove the insoles of your tennis shoes. Outline the insoles on the wood piece. Trace the outlines, then cut them. Hammer the nails from inside the shoes through their bottom. The nail points must be towards the ground. Position the nails so you can get optimal footing. Position the wood pieces that resemble insoles inside your shoes so they will be on top of the nail heads. Through this way, the nails won't come back inside the shoe. Put back the insoles of your shoes atop the wood pieces for comfort. Use the metal file to make the nail points dull. Sharp nail points will sink to the field, thus affecting the way you play baseball. You need different cleats for different leagues. Most little leagues use rubber cleats, while upper-level baseball uses metal cleats. Notes about rubber baseball cleats. Try to shop for rubber cleats at used goods and clothing store if you're on a budget. You can find almost brand new pre-owned baseball cleats there. Rubber cleats can help you run faster because they aren't heavy like baseball cleats. Notes about metal spikes baseball cleats. Follow the procedure in making basic homemade baseball cleats. Use narrow metal strips. They must be easily bended so you can put a screw through them. Tips in making homemade baseball cleats. Learn and imitate a branded baseball cleat pattern. Try different nail lengths to determine the best fit that suits you. Use a slightly larger shoe so the wood will fit. Be cautious when working with the metal file, nails and saw. Baseball is a fun game to play. You can use homemade baseball cleats when you're just starting out. However, it's better to use branded or quality baseball cleats if you're already in the upper league because it will squeeze the best out of you. Use proper equipments to ensure success. You also need to play well and dream to enter a big league someday.